Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Alright, Sarah, tell me what's going on with your left shoulder. What happened?
My left shoulder, it's it won't move, but I started feeling pain in my shoulder blade, and it just got worse and worse, and so now it won't.
You're not able to move it. How long has been going on?
The pain started in September a year ago. And
we're currently in December, almost Christmas.
And it got significantly worse in the summertime, around June or so. It started getting much worse.
June this year?
Yes.
Okay. So during, this is a little bit over a year. So what kind of treatment did you have before coming here?
I had chiropractic treatment, and I've had MRIs on both shoulders.
Okay.
So,
did you have any other treatment?
No.
So can you tell me now how much pain from 0 to 10 and what kind of motion that aggravates your symptoms?
Probably I'm at about a constant 3. I'm always in pain.
Okay.
Whether it be burning or shooting pain. Always in pain. And then this area feels like it needs to pop.
Okay.
And then as far as range of motion or what aggravates it would be showering, cooking, typing, pretty much anything. Carrying something, carrying a cell phone. It's if I'm in a lot of pain, carrying a cell phone could hurt.
Okay. So we're going to do the motion that aggravates your symptoms. And let me know from 0 to 10 how much pain. Okay? And then we'll do it after the treatment. So let's thumb up and bring it up.
To the side?
Is that as far as you can go?
Yeah.
You're really limited.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the front. Oh, you're barely moving. Okay, so you cannot do this.
No, I go.
Can you bring it back?
I can go.
So that's been
right there.
Limited for.
Since at least June. It just has gotten progressively worse.
Worse. Okay.
And on a good day, I might go a little bit further, but it's not often.
It's very limited. Okay. No, straight elbow. Okay. How much pain with that?
That's probably like a 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. You engineer. Can you remember these numbers? Okay. Flexion. This is abduction, 50 degrees. 50. 50 degrees. 50 degrees abduction. Okay. I will remember them. Don't worry. But it's going to be in the test, okay? Thumb up and bring it up. So this is 85 flexion. 1 second, I'm sorry.
Should I straighten my arm more?
Yeah, make sure your elbow's straight. Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. So that's 80 flexion. So 80 flexion and how much abduction?
50.
50. Okay. Pay attention, that's important.
Cheating.
50 and 80. 80 degrees. Okay, internal rotation, let's do this. Bring it here. Internal rotation is 50 degrees. External rotation. Oh. Okay, external rotation gonna be minus 10. She did not even get to 0. Minus 10. That's the external rotation. So that's a very classic frozen shoulder.
That hurt.
That's very sensitive, yeah?
Yeah.
Pacemaker seizures or anything?
No.
This painful here?
Just pressure.
Okay. Well, that's a sign of inflammation. So I'm actually gonna jump to the inflammation protocol now. If it's a mild inflammation, it should be with the magnet just a few minutes, okay?
Right.
How does it feel?
That's good.
So I'm trying to desensitize it to see if I can go deep. So today is your third visit
Yes.
for the shoulder. So we're gonna take the range of motion again. The original range of motion was. Do you have the original number? Or
For flexion?
flexion was
Was 80.
80 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna do flexion again now. So bring it back. Okay. And she's not screaming. And you can see that it's 120. 120. It was 80 degrees. Just 3 sessions for frozen shoulder. Okay. So abduction was 50.
50.
Okay, we confirmed it was 50. So abduction. Okay, that was 50. Alright, so now we are exactly 90 degrees down here. 50, 90 degrees, and she's holding it, she's not screaming. You know? Okay, internal rotation was 52? It was 50?
50.
Okay, so internal rotation, and now because last time she had 50 degrees, we could not even go to 90 degrees to get the proper range of more like the measure. Now she's on 90 degrees, and look at her, she's smiling. Okay, she's not faking it. Okay, so and by the way, external rotation was -10.
Yes.
Okay, so she should be plus 90 for external rotation. Let's see the external rotation now. Can you bring it back?
Right there.
Okay, so she was -10. Now she is 5. So she gained 15 degrees. Okay? 5. You can say ooh. Okay, and internal rotation was 50 degrees. Okay? So let's bring this down. Trying to show off now?
No, am I doing it right?
You're doing it right.
Okay.
That was 50 degrees. Normal should be 70 to 90. And what we get now? Okay. 75.
Wait, what does that mean? What was it once before?
It was
50.
50?
The normal should be
So it
70
was like
to...
up here.
Yeah, so the normal should be 70 to 90.
Okay.
So you're really close. That's 75.
Yeah.
So with the frozen shoulder, you gain deflection first, abduction second, and external rotation third. But remember, this is the third visit for frozen shoulder. You can sit up
3 days.
in 3 days.
That's pretty good. Huh?
So what do you think about the treatment for, well, you had chiropractor for how long?
Years and years. And
How many
more,
times a week?
More focused in the last 6 months, 3 times a week.
3 times a week. How many months?
For 6 months.
6 months, okay.
Literally from June till now.
Okay, so you had 3 visits, ASTR treatment for the shoulder. You had 6 months chiropractor before.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.